Alright, so what I want you guys to do is focus on how to color once you solve the puzzle. And don't forget, make a duplicate so once it's solved, just in case you some kind of way mess up, you have the working file here. The tools you're going to be using, of course, is your selection tool, your shape building tool, and if you see the little triangle in the corner, you click and hold it down, and you'll get this lab paint bucket. This is what you're going to use to color your selections. So I'm going to grab on the outside. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit so I can get the whole thing. Make sure I get everything in there. Come out here and grab. If you grab in here and you're missing the top or the bottom, you're missing some portion, you're not getting the whole thing because you're going to get that. So you're going to make sure you come outside, grab everything so that you have everything selected. Alright, once you have everything selected, I'm going to zoom back in just a little bit so you can see the top and bottom. Move it in position. These are you're going to duplicate these colors, so I just moved my sample over and made it larger so I can match it. Alright, so once I selected everything, of course, you see you get your shape building tool, which is right down here, and of course it's still active, so anything that I hover over is going to turn gray, but you're going to make sure you hold down, get the live paint bucket so you can toggle over and use your arrow keys to see you can toggle over the colors. Now I could always come down here and choose that color right there. So now I have that in the bucket, and I will go just hover over it, and once I click, it fills in everything that I want to be green. Right? Every portion that's green, if I hover over it, that's how I change the colors. And you're going to go through and drop in the colors that you need for your selection, like so. And I'm going to speed the film up a little bit on this section. You'll see I'll be zooming through it. So if I need to make some type of correction, I say, oh my God, I messed up. Oh my God, look, 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 look. Then just come back over here, put white there, and then guess what? I'm finished. There we go. And there you have it. Completed. Bam. Have fun.